Welcome to Orangetown Pediatrics. We are so excited to share our office with you. Orangetown Pediatrics has proudly served the families of the Orangetown community since 1974. We are honored to play a role in the growth of your families, supporting children until early adulthood, then as they return to our practice with children of their own. Our comprehensive pediatric services include general pediatric care, a dedicated and expanding mental health team, gynecologic care for adolescents, and expert support in lactation and nutrition. We are also honored to be the first Healthy Steps site in Rockland County, reinforcing our commitment to early childhood development and whole family wellness. We are proud to offer programs and events that bring our families together and support their well-being, including drive-through flu clinics, monthly asthma clinics, walk with a doc, baby on board classes, and our new parent advisory board. We are open 7 days a week with evening hours until 8 p.m. Monday through Thursday in order to make access to care easy for all families. A medical provider is on call 24/7. Our nurses are also available throughout the day to answer routine medical questions. After 10 p.m. on weekdays and 5 p.m. on weekends, calls are directed to a registered nursing call center where nurses follow the American Academy of Pediatrics protocols. They send us detailed documentation of every conversation so we can follow up with your family when needed. We see newborns in the office within a few days after hospital discharge, again at 1 week for a weight check, then at 1 month of age. Babies are then seen monthly until 6 months and every other month until their first birthday. This allows us to keep a close eye on your baby's growth and development. Our full well visit schedule can be found on our website, along with well visit handouts for most ages. Our lactation specialists provide expert support for breastfeeding families. Their goal is to make feeding your baby as comfortable and successful as possible. Patients who require emotional and mental health support can see someone on our mental health team. We have designated consultation rooms so that patients feel comfortable during their mental health visits. As you can see, we try to address the physical and mental health of all of our patients with easy-to-access care right in our office. Patients are patients of the entire practice, and we believe in collaborative management. That is why we have shared office spaces. We regularly discuss patients with each other for additional guidance, especially if we are following your child for a specific issue. We encourage you to meet all of us as we share the evening and weekend on-call schedules. We always like to know the families we are talking to. However, you are welcome to see whomever you choose if you have a special request. All of our medical records are electronic, and we share records with most of the pediatric subspecialists at Maria Ferrari Children's Hospital, as we are all part of Boston Children's Health Physicians. This is an example of an exam room. Our exam rooms are family-friendly with enough space for strollers, siblings, and multiple family members. We have 3 weigh stations throughout the office. After the measurements are taken, the MAs and nurses enter the numbers into the computer so the provider can review them before coming into the exam room. We begin vision and hearing screenings at 6 months of age and continue to routinely screen at each annual well exam. We follow the vaccination schedule of the American Academy of Pediatrics, starting with hepatitis B in the hospital. We are strong vaccine advocates as we feel vaccines are the best way to protect children from preventable illnesses. A copy of our vaccine schedule, as well as the vaccine information sheets, can also be found on our website. All vaccines administered in the office are sent to the New York State database to keep all records in one place. We match up one medical assistant or nurse to a provider, which helps keep the flow moving nicely. We do our best to respect your time, stay on schedule, and work efficiently. We have an on-site lab for rapid testing. We perform strep, RSV, flu, and COVID tests in the office. We also can do capillary blood tests for hemoglobin, lead, and cholesterol. We find our families really appreciate getting the results before they leave the office. We also have a team of phlebotomists for blood tests that require an outside lab. We hope this virtual tour has given you a broad perspective of the practice. There is a lot more information on the website, so please browse around. We hope to see you soon.